Hello everyone and welcome to another Dad's Making. It's probably going to be a fairly quick one, but I got these little molds today in Lidl. Ice cream pots and then molds to make ice cream lollipops. So I thought, why not make a frozen yogurt? Got a lovely Greek frozen yogurt with coconut and vanilla, a tiny dash of honey, organic honey of course, some organic blueberries, and that's really it. So to make your lovely warm weather treat, I know at the moment the weather hasn't been treating us too much to warm weather, but that can change fairly rapidly. So what you'll do is you literally open your yogurt, and seeing it has a nice pot, we'll drizzle in a good bit of honey. Now you can adjust the sweetness, but it's organic honey, so it should have a good sweetness. And then just mix it all in. As you can see here, we're even getting a tiny bit of a ripple effect. Back over here. And then we're gonna start with putting in some of our lovely blueberries that I've just washed. And we're just gonna mix those in as well. We're gonna take roughly half to mix in, and then the other half we'll just add to the top of the pot. Let's say 3/4 we'll mix in here, so we have a good distribution of fruit. Just want a few, to sprinkle on top of here, and then maybe like just press on the sides into here. So yeah, we're at a good height, but as you see, like it's the only bit here, or the only mess is from the yogurt pot, which is going to be messy anyway. So let's fill her up. Let's do it so that you guys can all see that a little bit of everything is going in here. You can even crush the blueberries tiny bit that you see, just a tiny bit. And if you go through them, you could get a bit of a color effect in there going on. Not too much, but it could add a bit of niceness to it. As you can see, we're getting a little ripple effect going. So let me crush a few more, just so that we have our lovely color going through our yogurt, So yeah, let's find a few uncrushed ones and crush them as well. So, okay, so we kind of have this one nice and filled. Let's do the same with this one over here. So I just want to make sure to have enough for the ice lollies, or the frozen yogurt lollies. I'm sorry. Don't want you to get mixed up, because I didn't probably buy enough of yogurt, but that's okay. I can always buy more yogurt, Just pop to the shops. So, and now, as you can see on this one, I'm just gonna drop a few blueberries in here on the top, and into these ones as well. Just, let's say 4, and I'll quickly get a bit of kitchen towel, just to, make it look even nicer. Just give it a quick wipe here at the top with our kitchen towel. you know, so beauty is in the eye of the beholder and all of that. And what's really nice is like these, you know, tops here, there's like a giraffe. And then you just kind of nestle it in here on top. Yeah, probably need a tiny bit more yogurt in there, but yeah, I'll just fill up my second cup. And yeah, as you can see, like, you know, you can make a lovely little treat for you and your family out of a yogurt, or out of a pot of natural yogurt. And that only takes a few minutes time, you know, so let's see, can I just fill this up a little bit more? I certainly can. That's perfect. Let's scrape a bit more out of here, just so that we have enough in this one as well. That's great. So, perfect. So as you can see, we have a few lovely pots ready for the freezer. Just give them a few hours to freeze nicely. And yeah, then you have nice ice lollies for the kids and nice pots for you and your spouse, or maybe also for the kids, you know. They probably will love eating that too. Probably good even after like 1 or 2 hours, depending on how the settings of your freezer are. When this is just kind of semi-frozen, then you'll have a type of semi-freddo, which means semi-frozen in Italian. Okay, perfect. Well then, thanks everyone for watching another Dad's Making. As always, I am your Steve, and Steve is out.